Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Lada Niva 4x4. The 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 combines its legendary off-road strength with modern updates, making it durable, affordable, and simple to use while adding new technology and comfort. Exterior: tough with modern touches. Classic design keeps its iconic boxy shape with updates like a refreshed grille and LED headlights for better visibility. Rugged build: high ground clearance and sturdy bumpers for rough terrain. Optional features: add-ons like roof racks, skid plates, and off-road tires for extra utility. Compact size: perfect for both narrow trails and city streets. Performance: ready for any terrain. Engine options: 1.8L gasoline engine with 122 horsepower. 1.5L turbo diesel for better torque and efficiency. Transmission: choose between a 5-speed manual or 6-speed automatic. 4x4 capability: full-time all-wheel drive with locking differentials for tough conditions like mud, snow, or rocks. Improved suspension: enhances comfort and stability on uneven surfaces. Interior: practical and comfortable. Durable materials: easy to clean seats and scratch-resistant surfaces. Basic tech: a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Climate control: manual or automatic options for cabin comfort. Flexible storage: foldable rear seats for extra cargo space. Safety: modernized and reliable. Standard features: ABS and traction control for better handling. Airbags: front and side airbags for added protection. Hill descent control: makes driving downhill easier during off-road trips. Rear view camera: helps with parking and navigating tight spaces. Why pick the 2025 Lada Niva 4x4? Proven durability: built to handle tough conditions with minimal maintenance. Affordable: starting at just $18,000. It's one of the cheapest 4x4s available. Customizable: various trims and aftermarket upgrades available. Trusted history: decades of off-road success worldwide. Availability: launch, arriving in late 2025 with global availability soon after. Conclusion: the 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 sticks to its rugged roots while adding modern features. Tough, reliable, and affordable, it's perfect for adventures and everyday driving alike. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.